In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online with a credit card using Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so your bill payments are recorded accurately and cleanly in your books. Start by opening Google Chrome and logging into your QuickBooks Online company. Using Chrome helps ensure all the QuickBooks features load smoothly and look as expected. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have permission to record vendor payments. If multiple tabs are open, keep just one QuickBooks tab active to avoid confusion while you work. Once you're in, head to the plus new button. From that menu, choose Pay Bills. This screen is designed specifically to clear open bills you've already entered. If you don't see the bill you're expecting, it may not have been entered yet, or it might already be marked as paid. On the Pay Bill screen, select the bill or bills you want to pay by checking the boxes next to them. You can sort or filter to quickly find the right vendors or due dates. If you're paying multiple bills at once, select them all now so the total is visible at the bottom. You can pay the full amount or make a partial payment. Just make sure the amount reflects what you intend to charge to your card. Next, choose your credit card as the payment method. This tells QuickBooks which card account will carry the liability for the payment. If your card doesn't appear in the list, it likely needs to be added to your chart of accounts first. Also, remember that this is an accounting entry. Unless you use an integrated bill pay service, QuickBooks is recording the payment but isn't sending funds to your vendor. Enter the payment amount and the payment date. Use the date you plan to charge the card, not the vendor's due date, to keep your records aligned with your card statement. Double check the amounts for each selected bill and confirm any available vendor credits are applied as intended. You can add a memo to remind yourself what the charges were for, which is helpful later during reconciliation. When you're satisfied, save the payment. Look for the confirmation that the transaction was saved. Your payable balance for those bills will decrease, and your credit card liability will increase by the same amount. If you open the bill now, it should show as paid or partially paid based on what you entered. That's it. You've logged in with Chrome, opened Pay Bills, selected the bills, chosen your credit card, entered the amount and date, and saved the payment with confidence.